Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Vince. Welcome back to another scam busting episode. Guys, today we are trying out the Phishing Show app. Now, there is sound on this app, everyone, okay? Oh, apparently I just won $5 in PayPal money. Cool. Now, yes, there is sound on this app. The only problem is, everyone, right, that it's copyrighted. It is literally, I'm not even joking, I'm almost 100% sure here, SpongeBob SquarePants music. Guys, I kid you not. I don't know how or why they think it's a good idea to do that and put copyrighted music in their app, but these developers are off the rails already, alright? That's all I can say. Bad move taking on Nickelodeon. That's all I can tell you, dude. Anyway, Phishing Show promises us the generic scam concept here of 200 PayPal dollars to play their trashy little app, okay? The funny thing is, it just says, congratulations, right? $14.38 in PayPal money. Now, for me to actually collect that, I have to watch an advertisement, okay? That's where they get you. So, I want to collect that $14.38 because I want to see if I will continue to win $14.38 on this video, guys, okay? These apps are scams. I get so many questions every single day. Vince, are these scams? Are these apps scams? Yes, they are. Guys, they are scammed. You are not going to win real-life money playing apps and collecting fish. Dude, wake up, people, man. Some of you guys out there need to wake up. I don't feel... Look, I'm not trying to have a go at legitimate people that got scammed by these apps, okay? I understand completely why you'd be tricked because they're on the Play Store. You think Google wouldn't let these apps survive on the Play Store, but they do, everyone. Google doesn't care about legitimate apps or fake apps. All they care about is pumping out that ad revenue. Now, I've been warned by some of my viewers, be careful what you say about Google, or you might end up being disappeared off the internet, in their words. So, I got nothing against... Actually, no, do you know what? I do. I do have a problem with that. I don't like the fact that they allow these scam apps on there. If I get banned, I get banned. I don't care, dude. Honestly, it's pathetic. Look at this. 1,119 diamonds is only 0.9 cents of real-life money. I have an invitation code there. Who gives a... you know what? Now, so 60,000 of the diamonds are $5 Google Play Store card. Why does it say minus 11 remaining today? What? I mean, does that mean that people have claimed minus 11 worth of the Play Store cards? Look, the app doesn't even make sense, guys. And you're wondering, is it legit or not? Seriously. 120,000 of the diamonds needed for the $10 gift card for Google, minus 3 left. $50 card here, 600,000, 9 left, and 1.2 million diamonds for $100 there, guys, of the Play Store card. It's an absolute joke. It's a sham. Phishing Show developers, you should be ashamed, and I hope your app gets banned tonight. I hope that Google somehow magically sees this and they ban your app, bro. Now, the funny thing is you can actually upgrade your little fisherman, which is pretty cool. Alright, so at least they add some sort of, element of, non-scammery here. But it still does make you have to watch an ad. How do I get out of this watching ad? I don't want to watch it. Well, I can't even get out of this. There's no escape or anything, bro. Whatever, I have to watch an ad. You played a fake game. Yeah, you got that right. I played a fake game, you muppets. Literally. I know I played a fake game, bro. Seriously, I review this stuff. I know it's fake, alright? Don't need you telling me in your pathetic scam app advertisement that it's fake. Look at this, guys. Oh my god, look at these guys, dude. Oh. I just don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, everyone. I'm so angry. I'm so disappointed in my life right now. $26 here. Upgrade. What's this mean? Upgrade. Collect times 3. Okay. Got 77 of the diamonds there. Let's upgrade the... Wait, why is there a game code down here? 8DNRTMK. Is that my player name or something? I just won $11 apparently. Yeah, dude, I won $11 for upgrading my hook. Look at this, dude. Look at this. It's coming up with a slot machine ad now for gambling. I don't know what's going on anymore, guys. I'm just here trying to catch some fish and become a millionaire. Why won't you let me do that Phishing Show? Why? Why? Why do you do this to me? Look what my life has devolved into, guys. Playing scam apps. Seriously, someone has to do it, though. Someone has to wade through the filth that's on the Play Store so you guys can not get scammed. I'd rather dedicate my time, alright, my time here to show you all what's a scam and what's not, so you don't have to fall victim to these pathetic excuses of apps. And I've been told, oh, you're too harsh to these apps. Really? Bro, imagine sitting there for a month playing one of these pathetic apps and not getting any cash out. Imagine it being fake. Wouldn't you be upset? Wouldn't you be angry? Because that's what's happened a lot of times, alright? Here we go. Look at this. What's even going on right now? Some lady's just... Let's listen to this. No, actually, no. Let's not listen to that since it's copyrighted. It's just... Look, you got the ads that are copyrighted. You got the apps that are copyrighted. I mean, just who knows anymore? It's just a joke. It's just an absolute joke. Seriously, Google, wake up, you absolute muppets. Check out what's going on your Play Store. Look, I used to play these apps, but I didn't get any money. Now I play this game. I can win real money. What's this pathetic app? Aren't I already on this app right now? Yeah, Relax Fishing. Find your journey early access. I already have that app. I'll give it a try later on, everyone. Hey, I'm not even joking. I want to try that app later. Oh, it's probably the same exact developers, by the way, because it has that stupid little code in the bottom left corner of the screen. I'm not even joking. I think it's from the same developers, guys. Get rich. It literally says get rich. No, bro. No. Guys, stay clear of this disgusting scam attempt just to rip you. Look, now I get the no thanks. Dude, I swear, if I've missed that no thanks the whole time, I'm going to be so mad, bro. Yeah, just stay away from this app. I'm not joking. I'm not being too mean either. I've had enough. Guys, I've had enough. I can't handle it anymore. I just can't handle these apps anymore, bro. It's just so painful to me. Like, this is not okay that Google allows these apps to survive on the Play Store. Why? Look, I can't press no... Yeah, there it is. Unless I've missed no thanks every single time, I take it back, okay? I take it back. That's if there was a no thanks on each of those times I was raging out then, okay? Maybe I'm just blind as a bat. But still doesn't... It defeats the purpose, right? That it gives you a PayPal reward of real life money to watch an ad. It actually rewards you to watch ads, guys, of real life money, apparently, which it's never going to pay you out. That's the giant scam. Here's some invitation codes, apparently. Friends must be real and active. Import invitation code. Invite 100 friends and get $5 PayPal. Let's see the biggest one. Invite 19,200 friends and get $200. Oh. I'm so sick of these apps, bro. Anyway, guys, stay away from Fishing Show. I hope it gets removed tonight. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think of the app. Is it a scam? Is it not? I 100% believe it's a scam. It needs to be deleted right now. Catch you around, everyone. Check out my other videos for more scam busting content. See you later.